Hey guys, I'm going to talk you through the reading of 4.3 Scope of Inference. For the examples, I'm going to go ahead and just give you the answers, and tomorrow when I'm back, I'll be able to answer any questions you might have about them. So if we look at the first one, you should have gotten C. For number 2, you should have E. Number 3 would be E, and number 4 would be B. Okay, now let's take a look at our class notes. And so what I'd like you to do is take a minute to pause the video and actually try this teamwork with those around you. So you'll just need to pause the video because I'm going to go ahead and continue. So you read through this situation and we're talking about studying when listening to music. Is it better or not? So let's look at each situation. So I have in these gray arrows would be your little scenarios. So this is our design. Getting all the students in your AP Stats class to participate in the study, ask them whether or not they study with music on and divide them into two groups based on their answer to this question. So here's what you need to conclude using that chart from the reading down here that you'll see. If you look through, you'll find that the students were not randomly selected and your random assignment or your treatment was not imposed. Therefore, the results will only apply to your stat students in the study, so you cannot draw cause and effect based on how this design was set up. So students in the AP Stats class who listen to music while studying have lower GPAs than those who do not listen to music. Notice that it focused strictly on the students in the AP Stats class. The second scenario is select a random sample of students from your school to participate in a study and then divide them into two groups as in design 1. So take a minute and look through the chart and decide what type of conclusion we can make. Was this random assignment or not? The students were randomly selected, as it says, out of your school, and there was not a random assignment or a random treatment imposed. So therefore, the results will only apply to our population, which in this case is our school, the students in our school, and you cannot draw cause and effect because of that. So for this one, students in this school who listen to music while studying have lower GPAs than those who do not listen to music while studying. Our next scenario, getting all the students in your AP Stats class to participate in a study. I randomly assign half the students to listen to music while studying for the entire semester and have the remaining half abstain from listening to music while studying. If you take a look at this one, it says students were not randomly selected. However, you did have a random assignment or your treatment was imposed, having them listen to music versus not. So our results for this one will apply only to our AP Stat students in the study, because that's what we pulled from, and you can draw cause and effect. So we could say there is a cause and effect relationship between listening to music and GPA for the AP Stat students in the study, because I randomly assigned a treatment to those students. Next, we have select a random sample of students from your school to participate in a study, randomly assign half the students to listen to music while studying for the entire semester, and have the remaining half abstain from listening to music while studying. This time, the students were randomly selected and random assignment was imposed. This time, the results will apply to the whole population, which is our students at the school, and we can draw cause and effect. If you notice, it did say we selected the random sample of students from the school and you randomly assign. So you're just looking for those little keywords in the design to determine if you can draw cause and effect or not. So our conclusion could say there is a cause and effect relationship between listening to music while studying and GPA for all students at the school. I believe that is all I have for you today, so take the rest of the time to work on the 4.3 worksheet, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.